Hey everyone, my name is Kara Pylant, and today I'll be discussing how gaming as a technology can act as an aid in the classroom. Specifically, I'm going to take a look at a gaming platform called Prodigy that many teachers already currently use in their classroom. Gaming is something that kids live and breathe outside of school. Kids today are so immersed in gaming technology in their everyday lives. Everything from apps on their phones to games on gaming consoles like PlayStation and an Xbox. Children are so engrossed in this technology. I think that because gaming has always been synonymous with entertainment, adults and teachers are hesitant about using this type of technology in the classroom. However, I do not think that there should be so much emphasis on the negatives surrounding gaming. Instead, I think that we, as parents and educators, should view gaming for what it is. This technology can engage students like no other teaching method can, and can be a fantastic aid to education in enhancing curricula and learning outcomes. Students that use gaming within the context of a classroom, with the monitoring and guidance of an instructor, can really benefit from what these games have to offer. Students can learn how to collaborate and communicate with one another through these gaming applications and learn so many different social and cognitive skills necessary to succeed in the future. Also, students can develop physical skills such as dexterity and can benefit from emotional development that occurs in congruence with the usage of this gaming. Video games stimulate and increase in midbrain dopamine to help store and recall information, in addition to all the other cognitive and physical skills that are developed through play. Not only do students develop these important skills that are a necessary aspect of a child's well-being, they also start to develop 21st century skills and ideals that translate easily into the workplace that we are currently finding ourselves in. Skills surrounding technology competencies, the ability to globally connect and collaborate, and much more are necessary foundations that teachers and parents need to start incorporating into curriculum. By using technology, students will be able to design, understand, critique, and manipulate the internal architecture of systems. Gaming and other technological instructional methods can help ensure that students retain information and develop these crucial skills. Now, one of the gaming platforms out there that teachers, parents, and students already use is called Prodigy. And we're going to take a peek at this in a little bit here. Prodigy is an engaging and comprehensive math game that addresses key curricula such as Common Core, Ontario, text, maps, and more. This program also offers assessment quizzes that accurately places students into the appropriate age group and where their competencies lie, as well as what areas a student may need to improve in. This game allows teachers to easily track their students' progress. And in addition to everything that is great about this game, it is also free unless you want to upgrade to unlock more content controls. So let me show you what some of this will look like from the teacher end. I've set up an account as a teacher to see the interface and see how the organization is through this game. So as you can see here, when I open up this first page, there are categories of questions on my dashboard here that many parents and teachers frequently ask. On the left, you'll see on my dashboard, students, planner, and reports. When you click on the different ones, such as like students, I kind of made an example here, just kind of made up some children in my classroom, and I put them here, and you can see that they are all listed, and they each now have a username, and you can remove students, move students, yada yada. There's also a planner. Haven't started one yet, but you can start to create an alignment with Prodigy and see what we are working on in class and assign practice for a standardized test. Also down here, you can see that there's a reports tab that can show progress, student comprehension, student usage, weekly activity, placement test results, topic coverage, curriculum coverage. And again, this is all on the teacher end of it and allows for easy game control for the teachers to assess where their students are at throughout the gaming process. I think that after all my research, gaming can be a very useful tool both for teachers, students, and parents for achieving learning outcomes and for maintaining student engagement. Prodigy and games like it are paving a way towards the future of technology and its place in the classroom.